Hello dear students, now just I will continue the chapter probability 13.1 exercise. Just in the previous class we have completed up to question 9. Now the question 10. Okay, the question 10 solution of question 10 exercise just 13.1. Okay, so here question is what? ये black and a red dice are rolled and find the probability, conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9 given that the black die resulted in a 5. So here just for the first part A, so first of all just a black die and a red die. There are two die rolled. Suppose on considering for outcome, first shows the number from black die and second from red. First from this. Then what find the conditional probability getting sum greater than 9. Na? So here sample space throwing two dice sample space will contain 6 into 6 equals to 36 elements. Okay, how many elements? 36 elements. Okay, now first part, for the first part, what? Let, because event we have to just first of all set event E, A, F, A, B and as you know. So let A be the event. What is the event? The obtaining sum greater than 9. Sum greater than 9. So sum greater than 9 implies A event, just even obtaining, let event obtaining sum greater than 9, event obtaining sum greater than 9 A, this will contain what? First 4 then 6 was 3 and then 6 9, so 4 6 and then 5 and greater than 9 5 5, maybe 5 5 and then 5 6 also, and then what? 6 4 and 6 5 and 6 6. Here in this combination, first is from black, second is from red. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements are there. Was 6 6 6 5 6 4 and 4 6 5 5 5 6. And B equals to B event. What event? Black die, the second die, is resulting in a 5. The event, black die shows 5. Second number out of the second number. No, black die, sorry, black die, na? The first number 5. So, what? Just we are trying to write the events as a set of points, and sample space contain 36 elements. So, here 5 and then first 5, and then because first is black we are considering, so first is black, then first contain 5 and then remaining 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6, this 6 elements are there also. Okay, now we have to find the conditional probability of getting sum greater than 9 provided black die shows 5, that is PA by B. We have to find PA by B. Two event, just P A intersection B by P B. Just we have to find this. For this, from here A intersection B, probability of B, here we know that this is the conditional probability of getting this provided this. Here A intersection B, we require this, so A intersection B, what? 5 5 and 5 6, 5 5 and 5 6 only, 5 5 and 5 6. Therefore PA intersection B is equals to what? 2 by 36 equals to 1 by 18. Clear? This. And PB equals to what? B, 6 by 36. 6 by 36 equals to 1 by 6. So, just put the value here only. Okay? So, 1 by 18 upon 1 by 6, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the answer. Just write the event as a set and decide how many elements are in the sample space. If short, then you can write also element and write first of all defines events and then write as a set, and then for finding conditional probability, just you have to find intersection and then probability and then put the value in the conditional probability. Okay, so this is 1 by 3 is the first, and second part. Here second part is what? Second part is question 10. Find the conditional probability of obtaining the sum 8. Obtaining the sum 8 given that the red die, just obtaining sum 8 will be first event, and result, and given that the what? Red die resulted in number less than 4. Red die is in the second position, less than 4 means 1 2 3 may be in the second position. Okay, and sum will be 8. So our events, what? Sum of the observation is 8. Event obtaining sum, just we can write here for second part. For second part, sample space will contain like this. Here, event okay. What? First, event sum is 8. Okay. Sum of numbers is 8. And second event is what? Red die event, red die resulting a number less than 4. The second position for red die, less than 4 means 1, 2, 3. So here, element, sum 2 die, sum first black and then second red, sum 8 means 1, 6, no, 2, 6. Then there will be how many numbers? 2, 6 and 8. 2, 6 and 2, 3, 5 and 4, 4 and 5, 3 and 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just these are the element. Okay. Now here second, just B for writing B. This is for first. Sum is 8. 1, 2, 9. Now second, there are will be many combinations. How? First, die 1 show, suppose. In the second, what will be the number? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Just up to that. Similarly, first shows second. First shows second with 1, 2, 3. First show 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3. Just second die red, that can show less than 4 means 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 with 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, 5, 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 6, 3. So these are the combination. This may be the combination. Because second die 1, 2, 3 only. And first die may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18. Implies NB equals to 18. NB equals to 18. Here. Clear? And NA equals to. Also, we see that NA intersection B. NA intersection B. This intersection this. Clear? Second part is 6, 5, 4 is not there. 5, 3 and 6. 5, 3 and 6, 2. 5, 3 and 6, 2. So implies NA intersection B is equals to 2. Therefore, probability of A intersection B is equals to what? NA intersection B 2 by 36, 1 by 18, and PB equals to 18 by 36, 1 by 2. Okay, this. Thus, the conditional probability of getting sum as 8 provided or given that the second I read will show number less than 4 is given by PA by B. Thus, PA by B, A by B is equals to what? PA intersection B upon PB. Bus, just write the value. 1 by 18 upon 1 by 2 equals to 1 upon 9. So this is the answer. 1 by 9 is the answer. Second part of 10B. Okay. Similarly, question 11. Question 11. If fair die is rolled, consider the events. Here E, F and Z are given. Okay. And find just P E by F and P F by E, P E by Z, P G by E, and P E union F by Z, and P E intersection Z by Z. So all the probability can be found very easily. Just main thing, formula. How can we write the formula? Okay. So here just you can write formula for finding probability, because there is E by F, F by E is E by Z, and there are given 3 events having as a set. So we can find all the values. Here 11 given events. E is what? 135, 135, and F 23, and Z 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, just we have to find what? P E by F, P F by E, P E by Z, P G by E. All can be find very easily, just you know how. Therefore, here E intersection F, E intersection F, what? 3. Also equals to F intersection E, and just EZ ZE. So E intersection Z, E and Z intersection, taking intersection, what? 3, 5, 3, 5. Also G intersection E. Okay. Implies probability of E is what? E contains 3 elements, so 3 by if fair die is rolled, the number getting on the die, these are the number. So how many numbers are there? 6 numbers. 6 numbers are there. Total case is 6. So PE 3 by 6 equals to 1 by 2. PF 2 elements 2 by 6 equals to 1 by 3. PG equals to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 6. 2 by 3. PE intersection F. PE intersection F is equals to what? 3 by 6. PF intersection E. Both are same. What? 1 by 6. And PE intersection G equals to PG intersection E. G 2 by 6 equals to 1 by 3. Just use all these values to find this. What? This PE intersection F by PF. So this by this. So this by PF. 1 by 6 by 1 by 3. 1 by 6 by 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 2. So first value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. PE by F. PF by E. What PF by E? So PF intersection E upon PE. Writing. When this is this formula, writing conditional probability. This is equals to what? Also 1 by 6 by 1 by 2. 1 by 6 by 1 by 2. One by 2 equals to 1 by 3. Second is 1 by 3. PA by E. PE by Z. PE by Z we can also write E by Z. So this 1 by 3 upon 2 by 3. 1 by 3 upon 2 by 3 equals to what? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. And similarly G by E. G by E means this. This by E 2. 1 by 3 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So 2 by 3. So this is 2 by 3. So just write the value thus. We get. Similarly, just write formula for that. Now we have to find PE in union Z. PE E union G by E union F by Z. So here just after finding this, we have to find the value of what? Two things. Intersection and E union F and E intersection F. Okay. P this E union F by G. This we will find. Okay. And E intersection and P E intersection F by G. According to the formula of conditional probability, P A by B means P A intersection B. This intersection this. So probability of E union F intersection Z upon PG. Okay. And here P E intersection F intersection Z upon PG. Just we have to find this value. Okay. So here P E union F is nothing. Not here. So just PG. You remember PG equals to 2 by 3. Okay. PG equals to 2 by 3 and remaining we have to find. Okay. PG equals to 2 by 3 and remaining we have to find. Clear? So how? Here E union F E union F, we can find 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Just find this union. And also E intersection F. E intersection F, we see that what? Only 3. Clear? Now this E union F intersection G implies E union F intersection G is equals to this intersection, this intersection, this. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, or 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. So 2, 3, 5. Clear? So implies probability of this E union F intersection G, probability of this equals to number of element here 3 upon total number of elements 6. Die is rolled, so die having 6 element, so 6 equals to 1 by 2. Clear? Also for second, also E intersection F is this and intersection G. E intersection F intersection G. This intersection, this 3. Only 3. So probability of E intersection F intersection G is equals to 1 by total 6. Just use this information, this and this and this here. We can find the value. So this is equals to 1 by 2 upon 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So 3 by 4. So what is the value? 3 by 4. Here, just use this value. 1 by 6 upon 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So what? 1 by 4. Second value is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So just find probability by using formula. Just write formula right. Okay. Correct formula should be there for getting right probability. And these are the events as a set and one die roll. So total number of elements in the sample space is 6. That's why you can get conditional probability like this. Okay. Now question 12. Take question 12. Question 12. Assume that each born child is equally likely to be a boy or a girl. Just a boy or girl. Assume. And if a family has 2 children, what is the conditional probability? Means family has 2 children. So what is the conditional probability that both are girl? Both are girl. Given that both are girl, given that first youngest is a girl, second at least one is a girl. So here just write sample space first of all. Let us suppose that B and G, just in short, I will write in short. Suppose B, boy, G, girl. Okay. So here 2 children are there. So sample space what? Sample space what? Youngest and elder. So B maybe. Suppose this is elders and this is youngest. First position for elders and second point for youngest. So BB maybe, BC maybe, GB maybe, and GG maybe. older, youngest, older, youngest, older, youngest. This is the simplest space. So having 4 elements. Okay. So here we have to find conditional property of both have girl. Okay. So let event both children are girl. So we have to make event. First of all, let A be the event. A event that both are girls. Both are girls. So what? Both are girls. Only single position are there. Single point. This GG. Clear? So implies probability of A is equals to what? 1 upon 4. Very clear. Probability of A equals to what? 1 upon 4. Just here we have to find, it is not required PA, just now. Second event. This and that. Second event. This is the main thing. And first, second event, let B event, because in 2 parts. First parts event B. What is? Youngest child is a girl. The event that in youngest child is a girl. Youngest child is a girl. Youngest in the second position. So youngest child is a girl means B will be what? BZ and ZG. This girl, second position for youngest child. This. Okay. Now we have to find probability of B. Here, probability of B. It is required for our required probability. So PB, B having 2 elements. So 2 by 4. 2 by 4. 1 by 2. This is PB. It is required. 4 elements are NS. Also, A intersection B. A intersection B. A intersection B is what? Z, Z. This gives PA intersection B. Probability of A intersection B. 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Thus, the probability of what? Conditional probability of both the childs are girls. Given that the youngest child is a girl, that is what? PA. Thus, just you have to write required probability A by B. Required probability. Required probability. Required conditional probability. Required conditional probability is PB by A by B. Both are girl. Youngest is a girl. So this is equals to PA intersection B by PB. So this is equals to what? 1 by 4 upon 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. Final value is 1 by 2. Clear? Similarly, second part. What second part? 1 by, the required probability is what? 1 by 4 by 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. Okay. Second part. Second part is given that at least one child is a girl. At least one child is a girl. Clear? Second part. So here for second part, just write let C be the event at least one child is girl. One child is girl, at least one, maybe two. So this 3 implies C equals to BZ at least one, GB and ZZ. 3 elements will be there, at least. So maybe 2 also. So these 3 are there. So 1 by 3 probability of C is 1 by 3. No, sorry, 3 by 4. Here 3 elements are there. So 3 by total elements 4. 3 by 4. Clear? Also, we have to find the probability of PA by C here. Okay, PA by C. Also, A intersection C. A intersection C. This C, this is A. A intersection C is one element only common. Implies PA intersection C is equals to PA intersection C. Is it one element? So 1 by 4. 4 element total. Thus, required conditional probability is what? PA by C. PA intersection C by PC. Probability of having both what? Both are girls, both childs are girls, given that at least one child is a girl. Okay, at least one child is a girl. So this by this. A by C. You can write. Clear? So this is equals to what? Just put the value 1 by 4 upon C 3 by 4 equals to 1 by 3, which is the result. 1 by 3. Clear? So this is the solution of question 12. Just systematically you have to write what is the event, what is the sample space, and for getting conditional probability, what will be the formula. Just use and you can get the required probability. Okay. So last, just take question 13. So here question 13 is, just read these questions very carefully. Okay. So the information can be written in a table. As an instructor has a question bank consisting 300 easy true false question, 300, and 200 difficult true false questions, 500 easy multiple choice questions, and 400 difficult multiple choice questions. If a question is selected at random from the question bank, what is the probability that it will be an easy questions given that it is a multiple choice questions? Means probability of easy questions given that the question is multiple choice question. So we have to write two events for selecting easy questions and for selecting multiple choice questions. How many questions are there? Just add all the questions. So here question 13. So information is very simple. Just easy true false, easy multiple choice questions, and difficult true false or difficult multiple choice questions. So how many? 300 and 200, 500 and 500, 1000, 1000 and 400, 1400 questions. So total number of questions, total number of questions is equals to what? 300 plus 200 plus 500 plus 400 equals to 1400. Okay, total number of questions. Clear. Now, what is the just we are denoting easy easy true false questions, true false questions, and multiple choice questions. Let E denote M denote, and B difficult, D difficult questions, difficult questions, T true false questions. T true false questions. Questions. Okay. So we have to find probability for getting easy questions given that multiple choice questions. That is E by M. Just we have to find E by M. We have to find difficult questions, T true false questions, A multiple choice question, E easy questions. Okay, so we have to find what? P E by M. Clear? Easy questions given that it is multiple choice questions. So here E intersection M. E intersection M means easy multiple choice questions. Easy and multiple choice questions. So here easy multiple choice questions. So in the questions it is given that 500 easy multiple choice questions. Okay, 500 easy multiple choice questions is there. Easy and multiple choice questions is there. So E easy question and multiple choice questions, easy multiple choice questions. This number of elements here. How many? 5 easy multiple choice questions. And total questions NS just 400. Therefore P E by P E intersection M is equals to what? 500 upon 1400 equals to 500 upon 1400 equals to what? 5 by 14. This. And also PM. PM equals to what? You know PM? Multiple choice questions. Okay. So here multiple choice questions means in the questions difficult multiple choice questions and easy multiple choice questions, both of that 900. So multiple choice questions, how many multiple choice questions? Easy and difficult. So 500 and 400 in the given questions. So 900 upon 1400 equals to 9 by 14. 9 by 14. So our targeted value is PE by M. Thus, using formula, required probability is what? P E by M is equals to PE intersection M by PM. Just put the value here. What? 5 by 14, 5 by 14 upon 9 by 14. So equals to 5 by 9. 5 by 9. So this is the answer of question 13. Okay. Now 14th question. Here question 14. Given that two numbers appearing on throwing two dice are different numbers are there. Okay. Two dice throw and getting numbers are different. Given that is the lower event. Okay. Here, find the probability that even the sum of the numbers on the die is 4. So very simple question this is. Okay. Just sum is 4. Two dice are rolled. So there will be two numbers of that. Sum of that number should be what? 4. But given that the numbers are different. So very simple here. Okay. So here events we can write 14 just in very short sample space. Two die are rolling. So 6 into 6, 36. So NS 36 into 6 into 6 equals to 36. Clear. Now let A be the event sum of the number is 4. Event that sum is 4. So sum is 4. That is what? Event 1, 3. First die 1, then 3. 2, then 2. 3, then 1. Just these 3 numbers are there. 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. 1 and 3, 4, 2 and 2, 4, 3, 1. And B, event. Another event is what? Different. Two numbers appearing on throwing dice are different number. So different number, event that numbers are different. So different number can be collected. How? Different number. Different number 1, 2 and then up to 1 to 6. All the numbers you can write. Here first number from 1 to 2 and so on. Not from 1. Okay? Just 1, 3 and so on. Here 2, 1. But 2, 3. Not 2, 2. Just write all the number first. 1, 1, 1, 2 and this. 2, 1, 2, 2 and this up to 2, 6. These are the 36 number. Okay, 3 1 and 3 2 and this 3 6. Okay, 4 1 up to 4 6. 5 1 up to 5 6. 6 1 up to 6 6. All the 36 numbers are there. Here 1 1 2 2. Here 3 3. Also here 4 4. Also here 5 5. Also here 6 6. These numbers are there. But different numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 are subtracted for different numbers. Okay. Minus of 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. This implies NB equals to 36 minus 6 equals to 30. Also, A intersection B. A intersection B gives. A intersection B gives 2. A intersection gives only 2 because there is not 2 2. So not 2 2. 1 3 3 1. Different. So 1 3 3 1 implies N A intersection B is equals to 2. Therefore, probability of A intersection B is equals to 2 by 36. 1 by 80. And probability of B is equals to 30 by 36. 30 by 36. Okay. 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Clear? This two. Thus our answer is what? PA by B. Thus required conditional probability is PA by B is equals to PA intersection B upon PB equals to what? 1 by 18 by 5 by 6. 1 by 18 by 5 by 6. So you can see that 1 by 15. 1 upon. This is the answer. Okay. 1 by 15. This is the question 14. Now question 15, just remaining one questions. Consider an experiment of throwing a die. If a multiple of 3 occurs up, experiment throwing a die is thrown. Multiple of 3 is occurred. Multiple of 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means 3 and 6, 2. And if multiple of 3 comes up, then again throw a die. Then again throw a die again. If any other number occurs, if except 3 and 6, other number occurs, then toss a coin. Find the conditional probability of event. The coin shows a tail. That given that at least one die shows 3. So here just I will write this solution of this question is very short. Just you have to write in detail here. Just what is says that here sample space will contain how many elements? Sample space contains, suppose sample space contains what? Except 3 comes up, suppose. Then what? 1 except 3 and 6. Then 1, 2, 4, 5. So 1 with 1. Then die will, then coin will toss. So 1T, 2T, 3 not 4T, 5T with 1, 2, 4, 5 TT maybe, and also 1H, 1, 2H, 4H and 5H becomes accept number, and then coin will toss, may head, may tail. So this, and if 3 or 6 comes, then throw a die. So with 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6 and 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4 and 6, 5, 6, 6. This will be the sample point. Because 3 and 6 comes, then die will again throw. So 6, 6, 12 and 8, 20. Total, how many total number are there? Just here, just 12. So we have to find and event. Let A be the event. So here, what is the answer of this question 13? .1, 15. So just first of all we have to prepare events. Just write event, na? So let A be the event, the coin. Here two types of event we have to write. Let coin shows a tail. So what are the events? Are here writing coin shows a tail, given that at least one die shows 3. So A event coin shows a tail implies coin, that means tail, coin shows a tail, this 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5 and TT, here this. 1, 2, 4, 5. Clear? One, two, four, five. One T, two T, 4 and 5T. This is a event. And another event and B event. B is at least one die shows 3. At least one die show 3. At least one die throws 3. At least one die shows 3. So at least one die show 3. That means B will contain what? At least one die show 3. So there are elements. This 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. So having element, how many elements are there? 6 elements. Okay, now we have to find the conditional probability. Conditional probability means PA by B, because conditional probability that coin shows tail given that at least one die show 3. That is PA by B we have to find. So now we require A intersection B is equals to shows A intersection B. This intersection this is 5. A intersection B is equals to 5. Implies N A intersection B equals to 0. Implies probability of A intersection B equals to 0. Thus, the required probability is given by PA by B. Probability, conditional probability of A means coin shows a tail, given that B means event at least one die show 3 is equals to PA intersection B upon PB is equals to 0 by PB is equals to 0. Clear? Now there are two questions remaining. Objective questions: PA half, PB 0, then PA by B is not defined. So very clear. Okay. Question 16. What is 16? Just question 16 is PA equals to 1 by 2, PB equals to 0, PB equals to what? 0. Then PA by B. PA by B. We know that PA intersection B by PB. So half by 0. Not defined. Not defined. Not defined. C option correct. C is correct. Okay. 17. Question 17 is what? Question is 17 is PAB be events such that PA A by B equal to B by A, then what? Here P A by B equals to P B by A. It is given. It is given. Okay. So we can write P A intersection B equal upon P B equals to P B intersection A upon P A. P A intersection B upon P B equals to P A intersection B upon P A, implies P A equals to P B. Since A intersection B and B since A intersection B equals to B intersection A. So what is right? Option is right. PA equals to PB. D is correct answer. So D is correct. Okay. So just PA equal to PB. D is correct. These two questions are objective type questions. So very simple exercise 13.1. Just remember the formula and just find out and the logic and write the event first, both two events. One for finding conditional probability, just write sample space, then event A, B, intersection, probability of intersection and probability of second event, already happened event. Just put in the formula and you can get conditional probability. Okay, so write all the solutions in your copy and also do examples and send me some of the solution for your attendance. Okay.